Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how simple fix can make two-stroke keep running. We're going to talk about common issue. As you can see, oil is dripping. Let's turn that off. How there's something like dropping the oil from the bottom or dropping oil or coming out from the bulb. We're going to talk about that. Let me open that up. That's off. That's good. Take that off. You can sometimes check. Let me turn that on. Oil is dripping. That's good. The hose is good. Filter is good. Is here. Open up anti-clockwise. This is the main jet. Looks okay, but you gotta give a good clean. Just be careful. You got a needle here. I can see there's a needle here. That's a float. Just try to put. That's a needle here, pointing down when you put it back in. That is not good at all. Right, just clean that up. Now I got another plate from different mower. This is a needle pointing down. This is float. Main jet is clean as well. And put it back on like this. And there is a horizontal line here. I don't know if you can see. There's a horizontal line here, it says. And when you put it back on, you know how it sits. Put it back on, horizontal, and screw it slowly, make it straight. Probably a little bit more, yeah. That is horizontal. Tight this one. Put it back on. So good. The secret is, if you have a leak from the bottom, it's more likely it's got some cracks here. Either it's a gasket or cracks or whatever. And if it's coming out of the bulb, it should be float or the needle related inside. So it's not coming out. And if it's coming out of here somewhere, either it's not tight enough or the hole, the main jet hole, is blocked. So now let's try if it works. 1, 2, 3 prime.